Alright, we're back in the garage with a banana in the vise. Oh yeah, this is gonna be funny. Oh, shut up, you goddamn lawnmowers. See if you can see that shit. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna avoid the grape soda. I think this shouldn't take very long, but then you never know what happens with these fruits. You can't. I thought the lawnmower was going to run away. Maybe that's stupid. Banana in the rice. Alright. Ready for this? I'm going to hold the camera this time, just to get a better view of it. Where'd it bust? Oh, it didn't bust yet. I don't think so. I don't see any banana coming out, so. Ew. It's hard as a banana. Ew, banana! Look at that nasty fruit. I smell it. Banana. Peels. Squish that banana so good that you won't even know it's a banana. Alright, is that it? A little bit more, I think. Yeah, that's it. Alright, now let's see if we can get this bitch out without sperming all over. This goddamn banana. I'm just gonna fucking put this one up on the ladder again. Oh, hell yeah. Hell fucking yeah. That's funny. It's really funny. It's really funny. It's really funny. See how funny I think this is.